Hi! In front of me is Samsung Tab Active3 and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, to edit one of your passwords, click on the chosen one and enter your current login method. Then tap on Edit button right next to the delayed one and change wherever you wish to. When you finished, select Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!